Namaskaram and welcome to all our amazing customers. Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks is an eminent house for exclusive hand-woven sarees. Started in India 2012. Now we have 17 stores all across South India. Be it the quality, the collection or the best prices, we always give the best to our dear customers. So please make sure you're visiting your nearest VML store to have a look at the beautiful collection of sarees and amazing interiors too. Dear customers, today's episode is going to be about lightweight Kanchipattu saree, very affordable, very colorful and festive. But before that, let me show you the saree that I'm wearing. It's a Kanchi tissue saree and let's have a look at it. The saree that I'm wearing right now is a beautiful Kanchi tissue saree in orange and green color, and let me show you the details of this one. On the body, we have curvy florals and leaf jal, and inside that we have floral buttees. We have a beautiful combination of champagne gold zari with gold zari. The border of this one is in green color and we have florals and leaf jal, and we have florals and leaf jal with peacocks too. Lovely gold zari work is there on your green border. Let's have a look at a contrasting pallu which has brocade work over it. We have florals and leaf jals, and we have dollar buttees and lines with florals and leaf jals in hemisphere. Beautiful gold zari work on the green color pallu. And a lovely contrasting blouse which has brocade work over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next saree for today's episode, let me tell you that my beautiful jewelry is by Manjula Jewellers based in Banjara Hills. Let's have a look at the first saree from today's episode about lightweight pattu sarees. Here we have a beautiful blue with green color lightweight Kanchipattu saree. Let me show you the body. On the body, we have very simple and elegant work. We have small floral buttees and silver zari contrasting beautifully with the blue color body. The border, which is in green color, has small temples on the edge, and we have florals and leaf jal in lines with small zigzag lines. All the work is in lovely silver zari. Contrasting pallu has floral brocade work all over it in silver zari, contrasting beautifully with the green color pallu. And here's the contrasting blouse which has self-embossed floral buttees over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, we provide global courier service, which means no matter where you're sitting, when you place an order for our sarees from Varamahalakshmi Silks, we will deliver them to you in no time. And cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. Here is a very beautiful lightweight Kanchipattu saree in yellow and blue color. Let me show you the body. We have a very simple and plain body, keeping in mind the simplicity and the elegance that all of you want. And the border for this one is in blue color. We have temples, and we have huge temples here in gold zari kadi, and we also have gold zari kadi here again. Here's the contrasting pallu in blue color, and here we have paisleys and leaf buttees with florals in lines, and we have brocade work all over it in champagne gold zari. Here's the lovely contrasting blouse for the yellow color saree, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, you can also place an order for our sarees by clicking on the links mentioned in the description box. These links will take you to our website kanchivml.com, and there you can place the order for this saree and many other beautiful sarees directly from the website. Here I have a classic lightweight Kanchipattu saree in red color. Let's get started with the body. On the body, we have small leaf buttees, and all the work is in gold zari. The work is extremely subtle and very beautiful. Our border has zigzag lines and small buttees in gold zari. And on the self pallu, we again have zigzag lines in gold zari. Very simple yet very elegant work. We have a self blouse for this beautiful red color saree which has brocade work on it, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, we have amazing and exclusive offers just for you this Diwali season. When you shop between 30th of October and 2nd of November, we will give you gift vouchers worth 5,000 rupees when you shop above 10,000 rupees. And when you shop above 20,000 rupees, we will give you gift vouchers worth 10,000 rupees. These gift vouchers will be delivered to you within 3 days of the successful delivery of the sarees that you placed the order for. So to avail to these offers, please make sure you're shopping more and more only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Here I have a very beautiful light green with blue color Kanchipattu saree. And on the body, we have self-embossed buttees on the body. So very subtle work is there, very elegant work is there. And on the border, we have temples in silver zari with cross lines in copper zari and circular floral buttees. We have a lot of detailing here inside the floral buttees, and then we have paisleys and temples in silver zari. Beautiful combination of two colors of zari. We have floral brocade work in copper zari all over your blue color pallu, a contrasting pallu for the beautiful green sari. And here is the beautiful contrasting blouse in blue color which has self-embossed floral buttees over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, please make sure that you're liking, following and subscribing to us on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, because every day we come up with amazing new collections and exclusive offers just for you. We have 4 PM lives and 9 PM lives every day where we showcase amazing beautiful sarees at weavers prices. So tune into these episodes and buy beautiful sarees only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Here's the next beautiful lightweight Kanchipattu saree in wine and magenta color. Let me show you the body. On the body, we have floral buttees in silver saree. Very simple, very elegant work. Our border, which is in magenta color, has cross lines with small polkas and very small boxes in silver saree. We also have floral buttees all over the border in silver saree. Here's the contrasting pallu in pink color which has floral brocade work all over it in silver saree, contrasting beautifully, adding a lovely shine. Let me show you the contrasting blouse for this saree in pink color which has self-embossed floral buttees on it. And to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, we provide global courier service. Cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. The weavers' prices are valid for a limited amount of time. You need to hurry up and place your orders right away. You can also shop for our sarees by clicking on the links mentioned in the description box. These links will take you to our website kanchivml.com, and there you can buy many beautiful sarees directly from our website. We have an exclusive offer just going on for you during this Diwali season. When you shop between 30 October and 2nd of November and you shop above 10,000 rupees, you will get gift vouchers worth 5,000 rupees. And when you shop above 20,000 rupees, you will get gift vouchers worth 10,000 rupees. You will receive these vouchers within 3 days of the successful delivery of the sarees that you placed the order for. And to avail to these amazing offers, please make sure you're buying more and more only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Dear customer, my beautiful jewelry is by Manjula Jewellers, based in Banjara Hills. Dear amazing customers, dear lovely ladies, I hope you enjoyed today's episode about beautiful lightweight Kanchipattu sarees. These sarees are very vibrant, they're very affordable, easy to carry, lightweight too. Please make sure you're placing your orders right away. We will be back tomorrow with another exciting episode. Until then, stay safe and keep shopping only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Namaskaram.